Hi, my name is Ofemo Matthias and I'm a software engineer. Today I'll be sharing a tool with you called the Multiplayer app, and this is a tool which I believe will be very helpful to software engineers in debugging their code. Now, the Multiplayer app is an application that gives your team full stack session recordings, which includes the front end like the user actions, the button clicks, the events, the components. The backend, which includes your API endpoints, your console outputs, your server responses, the logs, the metrics. So you can use this information or context from the multiplayer app using the multiplayer MCP server to feed into your AI tools to help you fix bugs, build features, and get more accurate responses from your AI agents. So first of all, you come here and then you sign up for a multiplayer account, and then when you are done, you download the multiplayer browser extension. Then when you are done downloading it, you start recording. You perform your actions on your app, and then you start recording, and then you save. So once you are done, whatever session recordings that you just recorded, you'll be able to see it here. So right here, it will show you all the various events that was performed on the app. So it shows you the time of each event. So whether it's a button event, a click event. So it also shows you the console output like you normally see in your browser console, and also the API endpoint accessed like you see in your network tab. So the request URL, the request payload, the response object, whatever tokens or payload that was sent. It also tells you if you're in a production or environment for your apps. It also tell you whatever logs are being sent used by popular tools like Winston and Pinot. And so what makes the multiplayer app stands out and why I would recommend it is because of the multiplayer MCP server. Now this multiplayer MCP server, you come here, look at the documentation on how you connect it to your workspace. So for me, I've connected it here to my workspace, and then after that you connect it to your AI tools using the configuration tool. Then what makes it useful is that each session recording that you've done, it can get information from it and then use it to properly debug your code. So for example, I said, please, how do I resolve the errors for this session recorded at this time? So right here, you come here. So this was the error that I saw. So uncut reference error, hello is not defined. I didn't even tell it over here. I didn't even tell you what the error was. I just said resolve this error, and it said the error is at line 45, which is here. It said remove the line hello from your code, as it's not a valid statement. So once I can also instruct it to remove the code, and it goes there to your code and does the fix. So this is very useful because it properly helps you get the right response with minimal prompting. So that's just what I wanted to share. So if you have any questions about multiplayer app, how to use it, please drop a feedback. Also check the comment section where I will drop a link for a complete video on how to also use the systems tab, the notebooks, and the repository. Thank you.